Elon Musk, the famous tech entrepreneur behind Tesla, recently talked about Ashok Iluswamy, a talented Indian engineer who leads Tesla's AI team. Now, this mention has become very popular on social media. Elon Musk shared that Ashok was the first person he interviewed when he started building Tesla's autopilot software team almost 10 years ago. That early team is now the core of Tesla's AI efforts, which includes working on self driving cars and robots. Back in 2015, Elon had posted a message asking for people to join the autopilot software team at Tesla. He wrote that the goal was to develop full self driving capabilities. Now, the simple message was the start of what would become a groundbreaking AI project. Ashok, who studied in Chennai, India, was the very first person that Elon Musk interviewed for his team. And since then, Ashok has risen through the ranks and now leads the Tesla's entire AI division. Many other key people on Tesla's AI team also joined in those early days, helping the company move from basic driver assist features to advanced self-driving technology. Elon Musk's tweet in 2025 reflects pride in how far the team has come since that first post, highlighting Ashok's important role in leading the innovation. People on social media reacted with excitement and curiosity. Some joked about Ashok chilling at the top of Tesla's AI work, while others said that when Tesla's AI chatbot called Grok would be fully integrated into Tesla cars. Well, Grok responded with information about its rollout happening in June 2025, showing how Tesla is continuously improving its AI technology. And also, yes, in the earlier post, Ashok himself spoke about Elon Musk's strong influence on Tesla's AI journey. He described how autopilot started with a very small and simple computer, one with just about 384 KB of memory, which is a tiny one as compared to today's standards. Despite these limits, Elon's vision pushed the team to create something revolutionary. Ashok emphasized that Tesla is more than just a car company because its advanced AI and self-driving technology. This story shows how an engineer from Chennai, India becomes a crucial part of one of the world's most innovative companies. It also highlights how Elon Musk's leadership and early vision helped build a powerful AI team that is shaping the future of driving and robotics.